So how do you make money during the coronavirus pandemic? What can you do to earn an actual income? Probably want to know, right? So many people are being outed from their job. They can't go to restaurants and bars and movie theaters and libraries and places like that, and that's hard. But there are ways to make money online that you can do right now that are actually going to help other people, and it's going to help you as well. So in my opinion, what is the best way to make money during the coronavirus pandemic? The number one way to make money during this tough time is to help others. But how do you do that? The best way that I personally know to actually help people is to create YouTube videos and teach people how to do stuff. For example, let's say somebody is running out of toilet paper. People are running out of toilet paper. Stores, communities do not have a single roll of toilet paper for sale. So what can you do? Well, teach somebody how to make toilet paper from home. These same people, these same communities, these same cities are also struggling to keep food and meat and vegetables and fruits in stock. So what can you do? You teach somebody how to ration food and water. These same communities, these same people, these same cities are also struggling because nobody's working. They don't have an income coming in. So what can you do? You can teach them how to make money. So you're probably thinking, okay, so I create a YouTube channel, I record a video, I publish that video, but how do I actually make money? What do I do? The way you make money, and I'm going to jump into the computer in just a second, kind of show you what I'm talking about, but the way you make money, the fastest way to make money is to provide a service or a product. Let me explain the service. So let's just say you are recording your videos to teach people how to make toilet paper from home, right? Or how to make a face mask from home. Two things people need right now. Well, how do you do it? Well, what you can do is record that video, post it on YouTube, and then somewhere at the end of that video and in the description box of that video, you let people know that if they need additional help, if they need help preparing, planning, trying to survive, that you're here to help them any way that you can. What they can do is book a 30-minute or 1-hour coaching call with you, which means they're going to pay you to jump on the phone and you're going to walk them through the plan that you have, the plan that you've actually implemented of how you are going to be safe, how you're going to keep your family safe, fed, and healthy, and how you're making toilet paper and face masks, and how you're making your own disinfectant. And you're also talking to them how to get through maybe a possible recession and maybe how to make money online, okay? All things people need right now. And you walk them through this step-by-step plan that you have. And you charge them, say $15 for the hour, $20 for the hour. So now you're making money, you're helping them, and what they are doing is now they're preparing in an actual, good, easy to follow manner. Because I know a lot of people are stressing out, they're fearful. So what can you do? You just help others. Again, we're going to jump in the computer and I'm going to show you how people are doing this right now. But let's say you do not want to do any type of offer like that. You don't want to do a coaching call. You don't want to do one-on-one phone calls with people because you just don't want to be interacting with other people over the phone. And I get it. It's a tough thing to do. It's not for everybody. So what you can do is you can sell products. But what kind of products? Currently, as so many stores are being sold out of baby wipes and toilet paper and meat and produce and all this stuff, Lysol wipes. What can you do? What kind of products could you sell? Well, there's going to come a time where somebody over on the East Coast can't get Lysol wipes, but somebody on the West Coast has a whole surplus of Lysol wipes. Now, I'm not saying go and price gouge them and sell that one pack of Lysol wipes for $100. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is, let's say you have baby wipes, right? You walk into Target and they just have a whole aisle full of baby wipes. But people on the East Coast are struggling. They don't have these wipes. What can you do? Well, the easiest thing to do is make little packets of these wipes and sell them. Let me give you an example. So let's say you have a little pack of these wipes, right? Now these things are kind of, I guess they could be used for toilet paper, but they're really good for babies, obviously, okay? They're baby wipes. So you get a packet of these, they're $1.50 a piece, okay? Let's say you get 5 of these, and you sell these 5, pack it in this envelope, sell for 20 bucks. Let me break down the math. 5 of these at $1.50 a piece comes out to $7.50. This priority mail flat rate padded envelope ships. It's a flat rate fee for $7.86. So you're in it, okay, total, a little bit over $15. You sell this for $20, you get your payment through PayPal, right? Now, all you do, take your wipes, stick them in there, you get 5 of them, seal it up, and you ship this off to somebody for $20. Now, did you just price gouge them? Okay? And I know a lot of people say that's not a good business. You can't do that. You can't sell something from one you buy it for. This is actually helping people out because they can't get it. Now, you're not charging them $100 for a pack of wipes. You're charging them like $3 something, like $4 for one pack of wipes. But at the same time, you're not getting all $4 of that. Okay? You're getting less than $1 per pack as profit. And that means that you just spent all that time driving around to these stores, picking up stuff that you know people could use. And let's say you create this video and somebody sends you an email and they're like, hey, if you find baby wipes, let me know. I'm willing to pay for them. And you go to the store, hey, there's baby wipes. You don't got to charge somebody $50, $100 for one of these packs. Okay? $5, $4 or $5. Okay? That's good business because you're helping them out. You're not making a ton of money, but at the same time, you're doing something that make you a little bit, pay for your gas and your time, but at the same time, you're helping somebody out. Now let me show you how you can actually create these videos because I know a lot of people are doing it. I know a lot of people are making some money on YouTube from these videos. Now when you create your first few videos, you're not going to make any money from YouTube ads. You're just not. But you can make money selling products or a service such as an online coaching call. So here's what you do. Look how simple this is, right? On YouTube, let me show you what this means, right? So how to make toilet paper at home, right? Simple enough. Let's look. Here's how you do it, right? You got all these videos. Let me show you. If I click on filter and upload date, it's going to show the people that have made a video most recently, right? How to make toilet paper roses. Right now, I wouldn't worry about making roses, right? How to make a mask at home easily with tissue paper, right? That was done 15 hours ago. There's no views on that. Probably because not a lot of people have toilet paper, okay? But come down here, this person right here, okay? 17 hours ago, DIY survival hack, how to make your own easy homemade toilet paper using a plain household paper. Cool, 20 views. Those 20 views are not going to give this person a lot of money, okay? Honestly, they're probably not giving her any money. But if she has a link or she puts her email address in there and says, hey, if you need help, all you got to do, send me an email, I'll help you out. Or you book a little 30-minute phone call session with me. It costs you $15, $10, whatever you want to charge, and I will help you make your own homemade toilet paper. I'll walk through that, help you make your easy homemade mask as well, and show you the best way to do it, right? And so you're making money, but at the same time you're helping other people. Because in this time, okay, in this whole coronavirus pandemic, okay, when the whole, cities are in lockdown, people can't travel, places are being shut down, bars, restaurants are all closing. What do? You help other people. It's just the right thing to do, okay? Just like I'm doing now. I'm teaching you how to make money online. It's actually pretty simple, and this is something I've been doing not just right now. It's something I've been doing for the past 12 years, is working from home, making money online, because that's what I do, that's what I know, okay? So like I said, teach people how to do stuff, okay? How to make a face mask at home, right? Simple enough. Let's look. This is how you do it. This guy, he did it one day ago. 24,000 views. Well, he has a bunch of subscribers, but you get the point, okay? Let's go down and see if somebody else. 3 hours ago, protective face mask. 5 years ago, DIY medical surgical face mask tutorial. Okay, simple enough, right? And you teach people how to do this. And by doing this, what happens is people are actually going to benefit from your videos. Again, times like this, when times are tough, cities are in lockdown, we need to help each other out the best way that we know how to do. The best way that I know how to do it is to actually give you advice on how to make money online, right? how to make money creating YouTube videos, which, you know, I teach a lot of people how to do this. I have a lot of students that go through my affiliate marketing on YouTube course, and I walk them step by step how to make money doing affiliate marketing on YouTube. Teach them how to make full-time income, right? That's what a lot of people want to know how to do. So that's essentially what I teach them. Okay, let's say this isn't it. Okay, how to ration food and water, right? That was something else I mentioned. Okay, people are teaching you how to ration food and water. How do you do it? You don't want to die. You need water. You need a little bit of food. Okay, you don't want to starve. You don't want to go hungry. What do? How do you ration? Right? Simple. 100 days worth of food and water for $100. Last 25 years. That's pretty good, right? That would be something that would be important to learn. I think so. Coronavirus, are you ready? Right? Make a 30-day emergency food supply kit in just 5 hours. You got 5 hours? Cool. Do this. This person's actually helping out. They're helping people out by being prepared. Not scaring them and saying you need 30 days of food and water. Okay, they're just saying this is what you should do. Be prepared. Are you ready? Just in case. That's it. That's all I'm saying. So if you want to make money online, the best way to do that right now is to help other people. Now I know a lot of people are scared. A lot of people are wondering, where's their next paycheck coming from? How can they make money? This is just one example. Okay, this is just one example when I tell you to go and sell baby wipes. Maybe it's not the best example, but hopefully it kind of opens your eyes. Now again, $4 for one pack of baby wipes might seem like it's extravagant. It's a huge expense. But at the same time, that $4 expense, okay, by selling 5 packs of baby wipes for $20, you as a seller, you're only going to make like $4 off of it. You're not going to make a lot of money. But at the same time, the value that you just gave to that other person that you sold it to the buyer that couldn't find baby wipes anywhere, that's struggling to find toilet paper, or they can't wipe their baby's butt because they don't have it. Okay, do you know what kind of a service you just provided? They would probably have gladly paid $100 for that exact same pack of baby wipes, those 5 packs of baby wipes. But why would you need to sell a pack of baby wipes for 20 bucks? Just so you can make a little bit extra money and somebody else can struggle? I know a lot of people are doing that. That's not something that I'm doing. What I'm doing is I'm teaching people the right way to make money. This is not a short-term business. This is a long-term business. Who knows how long this coronavirus pandemic goes on for? So because of that, do whatever you can. Help other people, and I guarantee you, you'll come out ahead and you'll make more money. So if you guys have any questions on how to make money during the coronavirus pandemic, if you need help, if you're struggling, let me know how I can help. Now, one thing I do offer, that's something that I don't tell a bunch of people, and I haven't really promoted this that much, is I'm doing a coaching call. So what I do is, normally I charge $137 an hour to coach people over the phone, do an hour-long coaching call, teach them how to make money online. Now, just for a little bit, while so many people are struggling, while a lot of businesses are shut down, I'm offering a coaching call for only $30 for an hour. So if you want to jump in on that, I'll put a link to my coaching call page down in the description box below so you can go check it out. I also include the discount code that you have to put in, or else you're not going to get that $107 discount. Okay, so it's $30 for 1 hour. It's something that I'm only offering for a short time. Again, it's just to help people out, right? So if you need it, I'm here to help you out in any way that I can. But if you guys have any questions on this, any questions on starting YouTube, just let me know how I can help you out. You can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it helps you out. If it does, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.